In Auckland last time round, it was the first time that we were sailing in AC 75s. And there were 3 race courses that the race management could choose to go and race on. And fundamentally, the race management team there would choose the most protected or flattest water to go and sail on. Now in Barcelona, we have 1 race course, and you might think that the Mediterranean is a fairly tranquil sea, but actually what we're finding here is that it's pretty wavy. Every other day we go out, the sea state is over 1/2 a metre high, and our pilots and our trimmers and our helmsmen on board the boat are now not flying the boats on a billiard surface flat bit of ocean. They've got to deal with the lumps and bumps of the sea state rolling in. In general, the breeze might be a little bit lighter than what we saw in Auckland as well. So not only have you got this sea state to cope with, we think that the average wind speed for that time of year might be a little bit lighter than what the boats were designed for last time round. We start with the prelim at the end of August, and that's much like open practice in Formula One. It's where you get given the race course will be shut and everyone can go out, race each other. It'll be our first real time of lining up against the other competitors, so you'll be able to get a pretty good idea of where your strengths and weaknesses lie within the fleet. And then we're into the real deal. We're into the double round robin, where the 5 challengers will go up against each other. At the end of that double round robin, one team is going home and we go into the semi-finals. From those semi-finals, you go to the Louis Vuitton Cup final. That's the Challenger Series final, a massive deal to win. The main prize for that is if you win the Louis Vuitton Cup, you find yourself in the America's Cup match in October against Emirates Team New Zealand. Head over to our website, INEOSBritannia.com, and follow us on all of our social media channels at INEOS Britannia. And there'll be lots of content coming your way as we get ready to take on the battle of our sporting lifetime.